Alright, everyone. Right triangle ratio. Now you will also get questions like that. And remember, this is a question. So we used to have a number here like 10. We used to have a number here like 2. And that was the question. And just a quick review. So what we used to do here is that we get this one x divided by one of the two. So let's choose this one. 10 equals. And the other one we didn't pick up yet, which is 2 divided by once again the x. So that's the ratio of right triangles. But just a quick reminder that we very first, wrote down the one inside the triangle with the 90-degree. So we first did that. Now, with this question, first of all, I don't like the way it seems. So you will have your papers in front of you, so you can always turn, right? So I'm gonna turn this question the way I like to see it. And where do I do that from? Here. Okay. All right. So that's how I like to see the question. Now, remember, once again, we started from the one inside, right? That's what we did. So you are not going to do anything different with this one. I know x is not here. This time x is that. But we're going to start with the one line we know this time. That's inside. So we're going to start with that, which is 32. Let's write down 32 divided by one of the sides, just like the other one. This used to be 10, this used to be 2. One of them we know, right? We picked this one. So you're going to do exactly the same. You can pick any one of them actually, but I'll go with this one once again, 64. So I'm going to divide that with 64 equals. Now, please don't write the 32 once again, just like the ones you did before. Okay? We're going to pick this one this time, right? The 2 is up there. So we did pick that one. All right, let's go back with this question. Now we're going to pick this one, which is x in this case. X divided by whatever number we have. We always repeat this, right? Which is 32 in this case. 32. Now this is perfect right triangle ratio. This is a perfect one. And so let me just take this down and I'll just work on it where I have more space. Now all I have to do is, I want to know what the x is. I used to do the cross multiplications, right? But now things are a little bit different. All I want to do is find out what the x is. I want to leave x alone. How do I leave x alone? I look at x and it's supposed to be divided by 32. So I'm going to send the division 32 to the other side. So x will be alone in this case. How do I do that? 32 times multiplication. This is going to go up to multiply. 32 divided by, I didn't make any changes here, 64 equals to x And I don't have to do divided by 32 because it's already on the other side. Now x is alone. So all I have to do is calculate that. Let's do that. Thirty-two times 32 equals this number divided by 64 equals that number, 16. So x equals 16, or the other way around, x equals 16. They are both the same. So now I know what the x is. Now I can go back here, get rid of all this, and say x is 16 centimeters.